Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to know how I gained $6,500 today, stick around, I'll show you. Um, Simple answer is I made one trade and sat and waited. What I like to call leap and sleep. I bought leaps a while ago and I'm sleeping, I'm not doing anything. And that seems to be working for me. I did make one trade today, attempted to make three, but only one came through. I bought five new shares of Vanguard S&P 500 Canadian hedged fund in my tax-free savings account. Had a few $100 extra just that wasn't invested in my tax-free savings account. I thought I would move it into the investing account instead. Um, so I did that. I attempted to buy back the covered call that I sold on Friday. I've got a price set at 10 cents. Just in case, with the thin trading, things go crazy and I don't want to be forced to sell my Google shares. So, I'm cognizant of that and trying to prevent that from happening. That didn't go through. And I attempted to buy 100 additional shares of QNC because it was kind of volatile today. It was a little up and down. And unfortunately, it didn't get the price I wanted, but it came close today. It dropped a fair bit. Um, Anyways, that didn't happen. What I did do after all of that was gain almost about $6,500, as I said. Um, and that was mostly thanks to the leaps that I have, which are uh, $2,000 alone came from AST SpaceMobile, ASTS. Leap I have for that. It's a $25 call expiring in January 2027. And yeah, that added $2,000 in my portfolio today. Rocket Lab, I have a couple of leaps for them. I have one that expires in 2027, January 2027. That added $1,000 in my portfolio. And the leap that I have for Rocket Lab that expires in January 2028, the 27 leap is for $20. The 28 leap is a $50 call. It almost added $1,000 in my portfolio as well. My leap for D-Wave Quantum, which was up significantly today. Uh, the stock was up significantly today. My leap gained about $500, and finally my shares of Google gained about $378. That's what made me a little nervous about just leaving the covered call that I sold to expire worthless. I'm concerned that we may actually hit $330 and then I'd be forced to sell, and I don't want that to happen. I want my Google shares there in the long term. So, anyways, made me a little nervous. But all of that added up and some other things to give me $6,500. It was mostly leaps that did it. The things that took away from my portfolio today and prevented it from growing weren't as long a list. QNC, Quantum Emotion, was down a bit. It took away about $280 from my portfolio. Uh, Netflix shares. Netflix raised some debt to finance the purchase of Warner Brothers today. A bridge loan that they're doing to have enough money to acquire Warner Brothers. And that sent them down a little bit. I lost $250 on the leaps that I have for Netflix. Those leaps are for $100 calls that expire in June 2028. We're going to get back there, I think. And finally, the leaps that I have for Intel, they lost $100 today. Could have been better, could have been worse. I spent most of the time just watching the business news and trying to learn about new opportunities. Um, didn't really come across anything. It's kind of thin news right now. The news cycle seems to be mostly focused on the potential land strikes going on in Venezuela or about to happen or whatever. For Christmas, Trump's going to give America a war, I guess. Um, or prevent one. I don't know. I think he's going to cause one. But that's, you know, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Not saying that Maduro's a good guy, but it's kind of uh, it's inching towards a conflict. I think China looks like they're, you know, starting to say stuff about it too. So um, we'll see what happens. That kind of put the oil prices up a little bit today, and for this Monday, December 22nd, that's what happened. Anyways, hope you're having a good holiday week coming up to Christmas in just a couple of days. And hope you had a good trading session. Hope you made some money. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.